Well, each day is different, so it's a different day each day you come in. But the main aim of every day is to ensure that my staff and residents are as happy and healthy as they can be.
I could speak for hours about what makes Sandra good at her job. What you see is what you get with her. There's no falseness, there's no trying to be anything she's not. She is the genuine article in every sense of the word. The special thing about Sandra is her herself and her whole personality.
Care's the only thing that really fulfills me. For me, it's a very worthwhile role, and it's something I'm comfortable doing, and it's something that I really enjoy.
Her ability to be able to nurture, mentor, inform and coach other people has been really significant in the careers of other people, and I think that's important that she's prepared to give that of herself. Sandra is really, really effective at understanding in detail what makes each individual team member tick. She understands what their skills are, she understands what their weaknesses are, and she provides a culture where people can be the best they can possibly be. Not all the same, she doesn't want all the same, she wants everybody to be their best. She puts the people she looks after at the core of everything she does.